Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to add a customized command button for a macro code. Right-click on any tab on any command, and click Customize Command Manager. Now, click on the New Tab option, and select Macro. Now we can see that we have a macro tab. Again, right-click and select Customize Command Manager, go to Commands, and select Macro. We see a new macro button option, drag it as shown. Click on the three dots, and browse the location of macro file. I have shared a link in the description. CAR application macro can be downloaded, and customized CAR can be created. Please subscribe to the channel and support it. Selecting the main sub from the macro code, which has to be run first. The display name can be edited. Also, any icon can be selected for display. We now have our application button as a command. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for upcoming fun videos. Thank you.